Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're reviewing Sago Mini Road new update. Okay. Look, we're gonna feed Pigeon birthday cake. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Okay, now let's give you some cookie. Eat it! And then eat it! Eat it! Is there someone at the door knocking? Let's see. No. Don't wait, sparklers with the house. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it with the candles! No way, he just ate the candle. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Moldy cheese, let's feed it to him. What about the chicken? What's some love? Cups, cake? Oh no, they have flew away. Very bad. Hey! Hug! Pinata broke the pinata! Yes, did I get a hat? Wait, can they even wear this hat? They're not from K. Oh, of course they can. Now, wait, can they wear this hat? Oh, yeah, they can. That's a trick. Okay. Look, I want my present. Plushies, Sago Mini plushies. Yeah. Plushies, Sago Mini plushies. Plushies, Sago plushies. Sago Mini plushies, plushies, plushies. Sago Mini plushies, 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 plushies. Sago Mini plushies, plushies. Wait, there's no more plushies. Yeah, this is a plushie. Oh no. His hat is gonna become a smart core. Birthday, dear Pigeon. Happy birthday, dear Pigeon. No. That didn't end well. Can he eat a mushroom? Eat the mushroom! Eat it! What about the cheese? Oh, that's yummy. Wait, you can have sausage. Happy birthday, dear chick. Happy birthday, dear chick. Yum, 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 yum. Oh no, he ate the sausage. What about birthday? Birthday, birthday, birthday. Birthday, 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 birthday. Gummy, gummy. More gummies. More gummies. Eat the gummy. Eat it. Oh, chick, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Wait, eat it. Guys, I said eat it. And then last, eat it. Oh, that's celebrating. What do you call it celebrating with no hands? The pigeon. Bye.